What's up guys, welcome back. So today, Geya sent me one of their watches to check out, and not just any colorway. They sent me the one called the Darth Vader. Yes, you heard that right, Darth Vader. I mean, just the name alone had me excited to open this thing. This is the Geya Stainless Steel Series G8253, and we're gonna see if it lives up to the hype of that name. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, the box. It's clean, it's solid, it's got good weight to it. It doesn't feel like they just chucked the watch into a random cardboard box and called it a day. The presentation is on point, and that matters to me because it tells you the brand actually cares about the full experience, not just the watch itself. And here it is. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, look at this thing. Full black. I mean, it is blacked out. The case, the bracelet, everything, it's all dark and it just looks so aggressive. And I get it now. I totally get why they named this colorway Darth Vader. There's no other name for it. If you put this on and you still feel like a good person, I don't know what to tell you. This thing means business straight out of the box. Let me just take a moment and hold this. The first thing that hits me is the weight. This has real substance to it. It feels dense, it feels solid, it feels like it was built to last. Cheap watches always feel hollow and light, like you're wearing a toy. This is absolutely not that. This has that satisfying heaviness that just makes you feel like you're holding something worth your money. And just so you know a little bit about the brand, Geya has been making watches since 1993, more than 30 years in the business. So these guys are not some fly-by-night brand trying to make a quick buck. They've been doing this for a long time, and you can feel that experience when you hold this watch. All right, let's really dig into the looks, because with a name like Darth Vader, the design better deliver, and it does. The whole case is stainless steel with a dark finish all the way through, and the finishing work is actually really clean. You've got these brushed surfaces that give it a stealthy, matte look. Let me just peel off all of these. And then the polished edges that catch just a little bit of light. It's subtle, but that contrast is exactly what makes the watch feel layered and premium instead of just flat and boring. The dial is dark, bold, and easy to read. The hour markers stand out just enough against the black background, and the hands are well proportioned, not too thin, not too thick. It all just works together. And you know what I love most? Despite how dark everything is, you can still read the time at a glance. That's not always easy to pull off with an all-black watch, but they nailed it here. Now, let me point something out that I think is really worth talking about: the glass. The G8253 uses sapphire crystal, and that's honestly a big deal. Sapphire is extremely scratch resistant. Like, in normal everyday use, you'd have to do something pretty extreme to put a mark on it. You usually only see this kind of glass on watches at much higher price points, so finding it here is a genuine plus. And now flip it over, here's where it gets really cool. There's a transparent caseback, so you can actually look inside and see the movement working. The little rotor spinning, the gears turning. For Darth Vader colorway, it kind of feels like looking into the cockpit of the Death Star. I know that's a stretch, but come on, it fits. So what's powering this thing? The G8253 runs on an automatic movement. And if you're new to watches, here's what that means. The watch winds itself just from the natural movement of your wrist. You wear it, it runs. No battery, no charging, nothing like that. It's all mechanical. And there's something genuinely cool about knowing your watch is powered by your own movement. That's the magic of automatic watches. Okay, it's on the wrist and it sits perfectly. The bracelet feels solid, the clasp locks in with a satisfying click, and it's comfortable right away. No awkward edges, no pinching, it just fits. And honestly, on the wrist, it looks incredible. The all black just pops in a way that's hard to describe. It's bold without being flashy. It's the kind of watch that people are gonna notice and ask about. And when they do, you can just tell them it's called the Darth Vader and watch their reaction. All right, bottom line. The Geya G8253 in the Darth Vader colorway is a seriously impressive watch. You've got the full stainless steel build, the dark blacked out finish, sapphire crystal glass, and automatic movement, and that see-through caseback. It retails at $399.99. And honestly, for everything you're getting, that price makes a lot of sense. This doesn't look or feel like an affordable watch. It looks like something that should cost way more. Whether you're just starting your watch journey or you've been collecting for years and want something dark and different on the wrist, the Darth Vader G8253 deserves a serious look. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really does help the channel grow. And if you're new here and you're into watches, go ahead and subscribe so you catch every review we drop. Link to the Geya G8253 Darth Vader is down in the description. Go check it out for yourself. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.